Docks Marine opens 7 days a week from 8 to 5. Sales, rental, service, all in one place. It's at Docks Marine, 5803 Eichard Ridge Road.
This is the WHKY News, and it's time for Community Focus. I'm Ralph Mangum. WHKY's Arianna Mack has the A&E Bulletin Board with news from the Green Room, Full Circle Arts, the Catawba Science Center, and the Hart Square Foundation. First, though, we'll get our weekly update from the City of Hickory with information on some back-to-school events, the Aviation Walk, and an urgent home repair program. Here is Sarah Killian.
Joining me in Community Focus, Communications Specialist Sarah Killian with the City of Hickory. Sarah, what's happening with the city?
Yes, well, with the return of August, many families are preparing for the upcoming school year. Fortunately, there are two great events coming up to help with that. Hickory Police Department's annual Ridgeview Community Block Party will be held on Friday, August 16th, starting at 5 p.m. at Taft Broom Park. This free back-to-school event will offer food, music, and free school supplies to help your kids prepare for the school year. And if you can't make that night, there's another chance for kids to get ready for school and stock up on those supplies. The Hickory Parks Recreation and Sports Tourism Department will host a back-to-school bash and dance on Saturday, August 24th at Taft Broom Park. Kids can get free haircuts, have their faces painted, and win great prizes from 5 to 8 p.m. at the bash. Then from 7:30 to 9:30 p.m., kids in grades 3 through 8 are invited to a back-to-school dance at the Brown Pen Recreation Center next to Taft Broom Park. A DJ will play some music while kids dance the night away with snacks and drinks provided. It's sure to be a lot of fun and a great way for the kids to get ready for the upcoming school year and be excited about it.
Of course, and that sounds like it. And that was 3 events, correct?
It's 2 events, so
Gotcha.
One on August 16th and then again on August 24th.
Alrighty, and what's next?
Yes, big news for the City of Hickory. On Tuesday, we celebrated the grand opening of the 3rd segment of our Hickory Trail, the Aviation Walk. This newest segment of the trail runs approximately 1.7 miles from Old Lenore Road across US 321 via a steel pedestrian bridge. It goes past LP Franz Stadium and Winkler Park up to the Hickory Regional Airport. So if you're looking for a new space to ride your bike or enjoy a walk or run, go check out the new Aviation Walk. The view from the new bridge over 321 is pretty incredible. Visit www.hkytrail.com for an interactive map, trail rules, and other helpful information about the Aviation Walk and the entire Hickory Trail.
Of course, WHKY was there. It was a great event for sure. For the full details, visit WHKY.com, and also the City of Hickory has information about the HKY Trail and where to find more information. What's next on our agenda?
Yes, I wanted to talk about our urgent repair program. So if your home needs urgent repairs or accessibility improvements, this could be a program that could help you, especially if your household income is less than 30% of the statewide median income, which is currently $26,600 for a family of 4. The urgent repair program provides Hickory residents with forgivable loans up to $12,000 to households with special needs. These program funds can be used for home repairs or accessibility improvements that are required to avert the displacement of the homeowner. Some examples of eligible repairs include heat system replacement, plumbing repairs, repairs of electrical wiring, and roof repairs. For more information about the City of Hickory's housing rehabilitation programs and to confirm current program requirements, please contact the Community Development Division at 828-323-7414.
Of course, sounds like a great opportunity. And how can we stay connected with the City of Hickory?
As always, for more news and information about what's happening in your City of Hickory, visit hickorync.gov and follow us on social media.
Thanks for joining us in Community Focus, Sarah. Now I'll add a few more to your bulletin board in your Hickory Metro. Auditions are coming up soon at the Green Room Community Theater for Dracula, a comedy of terror at the Green Room Community Theater. Auditions for this show will be on August 11th and 12th, 2024 at 7 p.m. Directed by John David Brown III, roles are available for adults and youth ages 16 plus. Also, Shrek Jr. will be on for one night only. Nasty Will Be Nice and the Green Green Room Theater will be Ogre the Moon when the musical theater camp students present their production of Shrek the Musical Jr. on August 3rd, 2024. The family-friendly musical comedy follows the adventures of an ogre named Shrek who sets off on a quest to save a princess from a dragon. However, it turns out that to ultimately succeed, Shrek must battle an even bigger obstacle, learning how to believe in himself and open his heart to others. For more information on auditions and performances at the Green Room, visit thegreenroomtheater.org. Also at Full Circle Arts, My Personal Inspiration, August 1st through the 31st, photography exhibition and competition open to all visual artists in the area using photographic media. There will be an opening reception Thursday, August 1st from 6 to 8 p.m. The purpose of the show is to give area photographers a place to display images that inspire them in their art. Entries have been judged by Fanjoy Lebrun's photographers Sally Fanjoy and James Lebrun's visual and conceptual artists who collaborate in an art and life. Coming up at the Catawba Science Center, discuss all your beginner level questions regarding combat robots during Bots with Brian, held the first Saturday of each month throughout the summer. From 1 to 3 p.m. in the Foothills Collaboratory, the lab can be found at the end of the south entrance hallway across from Velo City. To get ready for Hickory Bot Battles in September. For more information, visit catawbascience.org. That is all for the Community Focused Bulletin Board. Get out and explore your Hickory Metro. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thank you, Arianna, and of course, we're grateful for Sarah Killian as well. Now, on behalf of Rob Eastwood, Arianna Mack, Jason Savage, and Sarah Killian, I'm Ralph Mangum. Thank you all for spending a little time with us. This has been the WHKY News.